In a small, sleepy town called Maplewood, there lived a young woman named Sarah. Sarah was known for her kind heart and her love of baking. She ran a cozy little bakery called Sweet Delights, where the townspeople would gather every morning for fresh pastries and a warm smile. One day, a mysterious stranger named Jack arrived in Maplewood. He was a tall, quiet man with a scruffy beard and piercing blue eyes. Jack had recently moved from the city, looking for a fresh start. Intrigued by the buzz about Sweet Delights, he decided to visit. As Jack entered the bakery, the aroma of freshly baked bread and cinnamon rolls enveloped him. Sarah, busy arranging cupcakes, looked up and greeted him with a cheerful, "Good morning. What can I get for you today?" Jack hesitated, then asked for a coffee and a slice of apple pie. He found a corner table and observed the friendly interactions around him. There was something comforting about the bakery that he hadn't felt in a long time. Over the next few weeks, Jack became a regular at Sweet Delights. He and Sarah struck up conversations about their lives, dreams, and the little things that made them happy. Jack discovered that Sarah had inherited the bakery from her grandmother, who had taught her everything she knew about baking. Sarah learned that Jack was a talented carpenter who had grown tired of the fast-paced city life. One day, as Sarah was closing up, Jack lingered behind. "I have an idea," he said, nervously. "How about I help you renovate this place? I could build some new shelves, fix that wobbly table, and maybe add a few personal touches." Sarah's eyes lit up. "That sounds amazing! I've been wanting to give this place a little makeover but didn't know where to start." And so, they began working together. Jack's craftsmanship transformed the bakery, adding handcrafted wooden shelves, cozy seating areas, and a beautiful new sign. As they worked side by side, their friendship deepened, and they found themselves looking forward to each day's project. One evening, after a long day of renovations, they sat outside the bakery, enjoying the cool breeze and the stars above. "I never imagined I'd find such peace in a small town like Maplewood," Jack said, his voice filled with gratitude. "And I never imagined I'd find someone like you." Sarah blushed.